Good morning, everyone. My name is Aditya Rajbangar, and I am student of Breeze Sung Academy, Batch 21. Today, I will be discussing a vital aspect of clinical research: participants' recruitment in clinical trials. This process is a foundation of every successful clinical study, as recruiting the right participant ensure that the trial generates meaningful and reliable results. However, it also comes with the significant challenges, especially in terms of finding suitable candidate and ensuring diversity. Let's explore the importance, method, and complexities involved in recruiting participants for clinical trials. Recruiting participants is one of the most critical steps in the clinical trial process. Clinical trials conducted to evaluate the new drugs, treatments, or medical devices, and participants in this trial play an essential role in determining the outcomes. Without an appropriate pool of participants, the trial may not produce valid or applicable results. Therefore, the recruitment process need to be carefully planned and executed. The first step in recruiting is defining an eligibility criteria for participants. This involves setting inclusion and exclusion criteria, which serve as guidelines to determine who cannot participate in the trials. These criteria are based on the factors such as age, gender, medical history, disease stage, and other health related conditions. For example, a clinical trial testing a new medication on for high blood pressure. Many requirements participant be within the certain age range and exclude individual with kidney disease to avoid confound factors. Establishment these criteria help ensure that the study target the right population and that the data collected in both accurate and relevant. Once the eligibility criteria are established, the next step is the recruitment of participants. This is often done through a combination of methods. One traditional method is through referrals from the healthcare providers. Doctors may refer their patients to a clinical trial if they believe the study could benefit them or if they meet the eligibility criteria. In addition, advertisements in the newspapers, televisions, and social media platforms have become a popular means of recruitment. The rise of digital tools and online platforms has transformed the recruitment processes, making it easier to reach potential participants through targeted ads or websites, especially designed to connect individuals with clinical trials. However, recruiting participants is not without challenges. One major issue is that the difficulty in interacting or attracting a large enough sample size to ensure that the trial results are statistically significant. Trials often struggle with low participation rates, and particularly for more complex or long term studies. Furthermore, there are concerns over the diversity and participants historically. Many clinical trials have included disproportionality, disproportionality high number of certain demographic groups, such as white males, while underrepresenting women, minorities, and older adults. This lack of diversity can lead to skewed results that don't accurately reflect how a treatment might work across the general population. To address these challenges, researchers have increasingly turned to community outreach programs and partnerships with local healthcare organizations. These programs aim to engage diverse communities and encourage their participation in clinical trials. Offering incentives such as compensation for time and travel can also help improve recruitment numbers, especially for participants who may face logistical or financial barriers to participation. In addition to recruitment, retention of participants throughout the clinical trial is equally important. Even after a participant is enrolled, they may choose to drop out of the study due to various reasons, such as side effects, inconvenience, or lack of perceived benefits. To prevent this, researchers must maintain open communication with participants, address their concerns, and provide ongoing support throughout the trial by keeping participants engaged and informed. Retention rates can improve, ensuring that the trial produces robust and reliable data. Finally, the recruitment process must be conducted in a way that adheres to ethical guidelines. It is essential that participants are fully informed about the nature of the trial, including any potential risk or benefit. This is ensured through informed consent process where participants receive detailed information about the trial and voluntarily agree to participate, respecting to autonomy of participants and ensuring their safety is the heart of the ethical clinical research. The conclusion is participant recruitment is a fundamental part of clinical trial that ensure the study can produce reliable and meaningful results. From defining eligibility criteria and reaching out to potential participants to ensure diversity and maintaining retention, each aspect of recruitment plays a crucial role in the success of the trial. Despite the challenges involved, effectively recruitment strategies combined with the ethical practices help to ensure that clinical trials lead to advancement in the clinical studies that benefit all the sections of the society. Thank you.